Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about the nested class in Java and its types with the help of examples. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. In Java, you can define a class within another class. Such class is known as nested class. For example, there are two types of nested classes you can create in Java. Non-static nested class, also known as inner class, and static nested class. A non-static nested class is a class within another class. It has access to members of the enclosing class, that is outer class. It is commonly known as inner class. Since the inner class exists within outer class, you must instantiate the outer class first in order to instantiate the inner class. Inner classes are of three types depending on how and where you define them: inner class, method local inner class, anonymous inner class. We know a class cannot be associated with the access modifier private, but if we have the class as a member of other class, then the inner class can be made private. While creating an inner class, you just need to write a class within a class. Unlike a class, an inner class can be private, and once you declare an inner class private, it cannot be accessed from an object outside the class. Here you can see that outer is the outer class, inner is the inner class, and displays the method inside which we are instantiating the inner class. And this method is invoked from the main method. Output of this program is here you can see we have created a private field num. To access private member, we created an inner class and returned the value of private field. Since the inner class exists within the outer class, we must instantiate the outer class first in order to instantiate the inner class. In Java, we can write a class within a method, and this will be a local type. Like local variables, the scope of the inner class is restricted within the method. A method local inner class can be instantiated only within the method, where the inner class is defined. For example, an inner class declared without a class name is known as anonymous inner class. In case of anonymous inner classes, we declare and instantiate them at the same time. Generally, they are used whenever you need to override the method of a class or an interface. The syntax of an anonymous inner class is a static inner class is a nested class which is a static member of the outer class. It can be accessed without instantiating the outer class using other static members. Just like static members, a static nested class does not have access to the instance variables and methods of the outer class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.